broadcast channels on Facebook page. So if you want to create broadcast channel on your Facebook page, then first you need to open up your Facebook application. You can simply search for facebook.com and make sure to log into your account. Once you've logged in, you just need to simply go with the drop down and you need to switch to your page. So once you switch to your page, just go with the profile, which is on the top right, and click on the profile option. Now under profile here, if you scroll down, then you will have channel option right there. But if you don't have the channel option here, then you just need to simply go with more and you may have the channel option right here. Or you can just go with the right side, which has that three dots, and here you can search for channel. In my case, I don't have the channel option because I don't have much followers in my account. So to create a channel or to have the channel option, you need to have the followers, at least 1,000 followers. And after that, you will have the channel option. You just need to simply click on the channel and then you can create your channel. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.